Hello everyone, welcome to science class. So, we are going to start our next chapter, that is chapter 8, wind, storm and cyclone. Okay, so about wind, that we studied a little from 6th standard, that is air. Moving air is called wind. And also, we well explained about the different this properties of air. Moving air is called wind. Air is always moving from high pressure to low pressure. Hot air always rises upwards. Like this, a number of facts that we study regarding the air. So, the wind, storm, and cyclone, this is also mainly based on what? The moving air, that is called a wind. And the wind, if the wind is blowing very gently, then we can call it is a breeze. That is not a problem to us, and also it is giving a special kind of freshness experience for us. The gentle breeze, a gentle one is it. But when this gentle breeze is slowly turning to a strong one, is it the same experience? No, it is somewhat other experience, different experience is that. Okay, so we can see how it is happening. So the main principle behind this is the pressure exerted by the air. A number of activities are there in your textbook. You can see page number 80 and 81. A number of activities to demonstrate how the air is exerting pressure. Okay, figure 8.2, you can see one can is boiling. This metal can is boiling with water, and after that when we are keeping it under the this water bath, that is, just turn on your tap and keep this boiled tin, this hot tin with the boiled water under this tap water. What will happen? Because of the pressure of this air, outside air, the tin slowly shrinks. Okay, this is not because of the pressure inside in the bottle, but it is because of the pressure exerted by the outside air. Okay, like this, a number of activities you can see in your textbook. Just go through all this and make an activity 8.3, balloons. The one boy is blowing air between two inflated balloons. At that time, what we can see, the balloons are coming close. Instead of moving away, the balloons are coming close. That is because of the pressure from two sides of the two balloons. Okay, like that, another fellow you can see in figure 8.5, he is blowing over a strip of paper. So what is happening now? And we can see the paper strip is moving up. That is because of the reduced air pressure over the paper strip. Over the paper strip, pressure is very low. Below the paper strip, pressure is very high. That is why the high pressure from down moves the paper strip up. So like this, we can see the activities and its demonstration. Illustration is also there. From all these activities, we can conclude that air moves from the region where the air pressure is high to the region where the pressure is low. Okay, from high pressure to low pressure, the air is moving. So if the air pressure is there is any high variation, if there is any high variation in air pressure, it will be adversely affect the speed of the wind. If the pressure, if there is any low pressure is in very high variation, very high range, what will happen? From the nearby areas, wind blows to this low pressure area with very high speed. In daily newspapers and others, we are reading about the weather report. Because of the low pressure, we can expect a strong wind today. Okay, Nunamardam. Because of this, we will expect a strong wind today. So regarding all this wind, storm and cyclones, you will study in your geography part very clearly. Okay, and also we know that air expands on heating. At the time of heating, the air expands and also it may rises up. The hot air rises up. So you can see activity 8.6, two paper bags are hanging, and they initially they were kept in a balanced condition, but when we are blowing one candle under one of the paper bag, we can see it is moving up and the other one is moving down. Okay, that means the hot air is always rising upward, and this is the lighter air. Hot air is the lighter air, and it is moving upward, and to this area, to this place, the cold air can rush. The cold air is somewhat heavy than that of this hot air. So read the chapter very carefully and make an idea about these two phenomena regarding the air. What are the two phenomena? One is the air expands on heating, and the other one is the air is always moving from high pressure area to low pressure area. The remaining part we will discuss in the next class. Okay.